I guess most of them get 729 for this problem in wrong order. Here 3 plus 6 is 9 times 5 plus 4 in bracket whole power 2. Here 9 times 5 plus 4 is 9 to the power of 2. Here 9 times 9 square is 81. Here 9 times 81 is 729 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 729 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is a bracket higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 3 plus 6 times, inside the bracket we have 5 plus 4 is 9 to the power of 2. The next priority is exponent, so we have to do this exponent before this operation. Here 3 plus 6 times, here 9 square is 81. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication, so we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 3 plus, here 6 times 81 is 486. Here 3 plus 486 is 489 is the correct answer.